Well, while the Congress still hasn't given a candidate from Amethi, but it's practically become a Smriti Irani versus Rahul Gandhi contest once again 3.0. Because Smriti Irani today, right after filing her nomination, attacked, you got it right, Rahul Gandhi. Listen in to this exclusive chat.
एक प्रत्याशी को लेकर अगर गांधी परिवार आते हैं या क्या लग रहा है, क्योंकि क्या लग रहा है कि सांसद की स्मृति ईरानी के चेहरे से डर रहे हैं या भाग रहे हैं या फिर उतारने में
नहीं कहूंगी, हम मोदी की गारंटी लेकर अमेठी की धरा पर लड़ रहे हैं। अमेठी में जब जो भी कांग्रेस का प्रत्याशी आएगा उनको निश्चित रूप से जवाब देना पड़ेगा कि 15 साल लापता सांसद के परिवार में सत्ता थी केंद्र में, तभी सारे काम क्यों नहीं हुए। ऐसा क्यों है कि 4 लाख परिवारों में अमेठी में टॉयलेट नहीं था। प्रति परिवार अगर आप 4 लोग भी देखें तो इसका मतलब 4 लाख परिवार मतलब 16 लाख लोगों के पास अमेठी में टॉयलेट नहीं था। ये क्या कोई सोच सकता है कांग्रेस के गढ़ के बारे में? तो इसीलिए हम अपने 5 साल के काम और उनके 15 साल के अगर वो एक भी काम गिनवाना शुरू करें तो इसी के बीच में मुझे लगता है ये चुनाव कंपैरिजन का, एक नामदार का गायब होना और कामदार का काम।
एक आखिरी सवाल लेंगे। अमेठी लोकसभा सीट है और इंडिया अलायंस गठबंधन भी है। कल बसपा ने भी यहाँ प्रत्याशी उतार दिया है, समाजवादी पार्टी कांग्रेस गठबंधन है। लगातार समाजवादी पार्टी के विधायक भाजपा में शामिल लगभग हो ही गए हैं, तो क्या लग रहा है कि गठबंधन कुछ असर होगा?
मैं इतना ही कहूंगी कि यहाँ पर जितने भी राम भक्त हैं वो राष्ट्रद्रोहियों के साथ नहीं हो सकते, वो राम भक्तों के साथ ही हो।
My colleague Abhishek Mishra joining us live with more on that chat with Smriti Irani. You know, Abhishek, Smriti Irani filing her nomination, Amethi up for elections in the 5th phase, both Rai Bareli and Amethi. But interesting, Rai Bareli, both the BJP or the Congress, nor the Congress, have announced a candidate. Amethi, what are you picking up from ground? What is the Congress cadre saying? Are they hoping Rahul Gandhi comes in? What are you picking up?
Well, Preeti, one thing is very clear that in Amethi and either in Rai Bareli, in both the seats, it's going to be someone from the Gandhi family only. The reason being is the preparation which we have witnessed on the ground. The guest house has been prepared. There is a team of Rahul Gandhi, and a very internal sources has said that, it's only a matter of few hours, to be honest, 48 hours maximum, that possible, announcement could be made. So that is one thing. And also on the ground, the sentiment looks a bit in favor of the Gandhis as well. We have heard the voices that they wanted, if it is someone from the Gandhi family, then they would be considering it. But at the same time, there are also mixed reaction where some people are also optimistic that yes, Smriti Irani indeed has been consistent enough as a member of parliament and as a union minister. But one thing is very clear that either Smriti, she also has a realization, that's why she was continuously targeting Rahul Gandhi, his brother-in-law Rahul Vadra, and also Priyanka Gandhi on some occasions. So she has a realization that it's not going to be it's not going to be an easy play for her. And at the same time, the congressman, the cadre on the ground is very optimistic, and they are just waiting for the announcement. So we can certainly expect a very interesting battle once again in Amethi and also in Rai Bareli. But again, remains to be seen in a few hours what is actually happening. And Congress, who is that person who will be challenging Smriti in Amethi? Yes.
Well, definitely what's expected is a juicy contest. Well, at least most journalists are hoping that it's a juicy political contest and Rahul Gandhi takes up the fight of either Amethi or the Rai Bareli battle. But we'll keep you posted. Appreciate you joining us, Abhishek. We're going to keep our viewers posted on that.